Hello, thanks for being here. I have loaded up the program that I saved that says Commodore PET over and over. I will rewind. And then I will press run stop. And I will list the program. Which is kind of repetitive. I made it, I just copied line 10 and 20. Sorry, I copied line 20 with line 10, I copied line 30 with line 10, and they all just go to 10, which of course makes no difference at all. And what I'm going to do is turn this off and turn this on so I can just see the RAM again. 1023 bytes free. That is what I thought. So I'm going to put in line 10, print, space, quote, Commodore. Yeah, well, I don't type so well from this side. Commodore. PET 2001 space quote semicolon colon. Oops, didn't get the semicolon. Semicolon colon. I don't need a colon. Alright, so now that should just print Commodore PET 2001, and it does. Alright, I will list. And now I will go up. And I will make that line 20. And I will go up. And I will make that line 30. With the PET, all you have to do to copy a line is to just move the cursor up and change the line number. So now I have 5 lines. And if I type in run, it will print Commodore PET 2001. So now I have 5 lines. Oops. That is not what I had in mind at all. Okay. So now, I intend to go up, and because I can, I will put in line 110, line 120, line 130, line 140, line 150. And then I will list. And indeed, I have the same lines. What I'm trying to do right at this second is use RAM to see if there's anything else. So I'm just adding lines. That's all I'm doing. Oops. Okay, now 1,024 characters. I don't remember now. Print. I don't know if this works. Zero. No, that's. Alright, I'm going to run this. And it's going to do what it does. It is not finished yet in terms of RAM capabilities. But it's getting there. I'm going to go up. It's funny, a great thing that happened with the PET at one point was the cursor. I think they called it the flying cursor. So I'm just adding 3s in front of all these things, trying to fill up the RAM. Oh, maybe I have. Maybe I have not. Out of memory error. Excellent. So remember, with 1K, you basically have not much RAM. Will I run this? Yes, I will. Will it work? Yes, it will. So I'm going to say in line 9,999, go to 10. Now it may not have the RAM out of memory. Okay, hang on. I am going to get rid of line 3250, and I'm going to put in 9999, space, go to 10. Does it have the RAM for that? Yes, it does. And then I will type run, and this should now just run and run and run and run and run. I'm going to press rewind. I'm going to press stop. And I'm going to save, quote, COO. Commodore. So now I'm not, this time, just for fun, I'm not going to do the leader thing. See, it's supposed to put a little space between things. So I'm just going to see if this will write and save, and if it will work. I am. And then I will try and load it back in and see. Because you see, if it tries to actually save on the leader, it won't. But as I remember, it's supposed to. Okay, it's finished. So the program should still be there. And because I don't really want to have to do that again, I'm going to rewind. I'm going to stop. And I'm going to type in load C. Commodore. Quote. Because you see, if it finds the other version, it's called Commodore with 1M. I'm hoping that it has, in fact, figured out the leader, gone past the leader, found Commodore. Loading. It's magic. This brings back memories of sitting in the back of the computer room at Northern Secondary School, waiting for things to load. Alright, if I type in run, it's still there. Excellent. Alright, I'm going to try and ponder my next move. I am. Certainly, I guess the issues now are I have to put some RAM back in and see what's what. And make sure that this chip does not go back in anywhere. So, we'll rewind. As they say in the video store, be kind, rewind. So thanks for being here. If you have any comments or suggestions, they are most appreciated. Thanks again. Bye for now.